Welcome back, my friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Georgi and you're watching Just Shake or Stir with today episode of Low ABV quick and easy cocktails made with white port. Yes, so if you never try white port or you never heard of it, which is gonna be quite kind of embarrassing, but hey, you never know, you maybe just had a ruby port or a red one. Whatever is the case, if you never try white, now is the time to change because you can have a fantastic summer drinks with a white port. Nice and easy to make, no shaking, no stirring, no nothing. Just straight away build up in the glass to enjoy a lovely afternoon or an evening sip. So, if you're ready, let's make 3 very easy cocktails with a white port. First we're gonna start with Astral Plain, which is based on white port again, and have also one of my favorite bitters, to be honest. I don't use it too much on the channel, but it's the Suze. So we start with 30 ml of the white port. Then the original recipe required for 20 ml of the Suze, but I find a little bit too much bitter, so I will go just with a 10 ml of the Suze Liqueur. The next ingredient, we have 20 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 15 ml of simple sugar syrup, originally the cocktail is shaken. I like to build it directly in the glass. It's my personal preference. Obviously, if you prefer to shake, shake it. And finally, any Creole bitter or a Peychaud bitter, but you can have any other Creole bitter. So 2 dashes of the Peychaud bitter. And this is it. We're gonna fill it up with ice. Give it a quick stir. Now, because half lemon juice, obviously in sugar syrup, it has to be shaken. I mean, that's what it's originally per recipe, but that's very debatable because a good stir, it will incorporate the ingredients exactly the same way, and also it's gonna keep the cocktail a little bit more strong in flavor. Here we go. Clean my mess here. And finally, because we have already the Suze Liqueur, it's quite bitter, we're gonna top up only with soda. Gentle stir. And garnish with a white grapefruit or with a lemon slice. And this is it, this is the Astral Plain. So let's move to the next one. So I'm gonna keep the Astral Plain here and we move to the next one, which is Belafonte. Belafonte, it's quite simple again, it's based on the white port, but also introducing my favorite, all the time favorite, Campari Bitter. So let's start. We have equal parts of white port, which is 30 ml or 1 ounce. Again, directly built in the glass, so very easy for you guys. No shaking today, no nothing complicated, just directly built in the glass. The Belafonte is fantastic Italian aperitivo because it's introducing the lovely Portuguese port, of course, and our favorite bitter aperitivo Campari. So it's equal parts, 1 ounce of each. Again, filled up with ice. That's all it is, you don't have nothing else here. It's just a lovely, low ABV, refreshing cocktail for the summer. And of course we need a tonic water. Be careful when you pour because, as you can see, it could go out of the glass very easy. Again, a very nice gentle stir. And we all know Campari goes really well with oranges, so we're gonna garnish with an orange wheel inside. There we go. And this is the Belafonte. So next to the Astral Plain, we're gonna make the last one straight away now. because it's extremely easy. This is the Portuguese answer to the world famous G&T. Of course, they make it with a white port. So you grab your white port and go with 45 ml or 1.5 ounces of your white port directly in the glass. And I hope you guess already, because we say it's answer to the G&T. Just top up with ice. I'm using my hands because I can't find my ice cube, but since I'm home, that's absolutely fine. If you're in the bar, don't do this, okay? And again, I have a little bit tonic left here from this one. Wonderful, look at that. It's around 90 ml or what is making that? 3 ounces of tonic? Depends on your glass, of course, and depends how much ice you put. But that is the simplest ever cocktail, and it's absolutely amazing for a summer day, evening. Just to make a quick sip, wonderful low ABV. And we're gonna garnish here with a slice of orange. Again, inside directly in the glass. And of course, I'm gonna cut quick 1 slice of lemon, because it's nice to have variety, and of course a little mixture of the citrus fruit inside, and you can pop 1 slice of lemon as well. And this is the Porto Tonico. This is one of the probably best summer refreshing cocktails, so there you have it. If you want low ABV, if you don't want a G&T or something more strong and you want to have few sips, the Porto Tonico is fantastic. If you like the bitterness on your palate, Belafonte. If you like balance, a zesty, just a touch of bitter, Astral plain. So you have a little bit of choice here. So go get yourself some port, make these cocktails, try it, see which one you like, or start with one, the simplest, Porto Tonico, and enjoy your summer, guys. I'm gonna enjoy my holiday. It will be fantastic time. But I'm ready for you, so don't go anywhere. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Videos keep coming. Even I'm sunbathing on the beach or diving somewhere deep in the water, exploring the underwater life. For now, as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye.